Man, shit. Whew. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Steve, Al Metal Dryer Vent, almetaldryervent.com. Check out my Periscope. It is great. It's a 2 1/4 by 6 inch piece of rectangular ductwork. It takes the place of the flex hose behind the dryer. It gets screwed into the wall where your exhaust lines up. The dryer backs in. You can pull it out as many times as you want. So today in an old school house, part of downtown Charlotte. Y'all might be able to see the buildings over there. But dryer's upstairs, vents out through the roof. Said he had it cleaned 7 or 8 years ago. So, you know, take that for what it's worth. But dryer vent goes up the wall in the 2nd floor into the attic, has about a 45-degree angle, and comes out right there. If he's saying it's taking that long, I bet we can make it better. Join me. Let's go. Let's see. So, and I've already pulled this machine out. I've already been up there, guys. It was back. It was back like this. Your dryer can't breathe like that. Come on, man. I mean, it's not too awful bad. Ooh, a little trash can. Don't mind if I do. All right, well, let's turn this thing on. Get up there. Come up that roof pitch, up to this roof pitch, and there's the dryer vent. So, tell you what, I'm gonna try not to fall. Let's go, guys. I got the dryer running, as y'all saw. I don't know, guys, it looks full. Let's see. Man, oh man. This camera's not doing justice, but pretty dang high up here, boys and girls. I'm in the top of the trees. Up here with the squirrels, but I gotta stop. All right. Let's take an airflow reading, and it's hot. I'm gonna try not to fall off this roof. Can y'all read that? I don't know if you can or not. I can't. 433. Oh man, we got work. All right, I gotta hurry before the GoPro shuts out on me. Cause again, it's hot, guys. This roof is man, I gotta stop right there. You guys see this? I'm not even done. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I gotta hurry up though, because my GoPro's gonna, it doesn't like this heat. Yeah, I just hit a big piece. Yep. That's all the way down. Goodness. God. Man, hit that like button for me, guys. It's hot and it's hard to do this camera work and actually do the job in a reasonable amount of time. So I appreciate you watching. Hit the like button for me. If you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. Even though this dryer vent may not be your particular situation, I bet you I cover one that is. So, thank you. Guys, look at this. Holy cow. Yeah. I still got work to do. And folks, I'm gonna do what I can to get this up, but this, I ain't gonna die to clean up a roof. I hate to tell you. Not worth it to me. Jeez, man. Don't blow away. Come on, man. Sorry, whoever you are, I can't answer the phone currently. Goodness, dude. Holy cow. Man, this is a lot. It's so hot, I don't want to get careless. And don't worry, man, I'm gonna get that stuff out of the gutter system, but it's so steep, man. So steep. We'll be back. Pull this baby out. Man, oh man. All right, let's clean it up. So, electric leaf blower. I'm gonna have it turned on about halfway, not plugged in. Let's go up here and see. I still have that blower running. Do. Did I mention it's hot? Jeez, it's hot. Oh. That's working. All right, so we know it's moving air. So let's climb back down. Goodness gracious, man, I'm dripping sweat. Whoa. Yeah, let's see. Much better, much better. All right, so we're back up on the roof. The true test is in the numbers. Numbers don't lie. What was it, 430, 433, something like that when we started? See, look, just sitting out here, guys, look at what the machine's saying, high. It's hot. Hopefully y'all can see that, because I can't really. Well, I don't know if y'all can see, but it's showing 1102. Not bad. What, 433 to over 1100? It's not bad at all. Guys, Steve, Al Metal Dryer Vent, almetaldryervent.com. Remember, check out my Periscope. Takes the place of the flex hose behind your dryer just backs straight into it. Honestly, this house may wind up getting one. I'm not really sure yet, but until next time, I appreciate each and every one of you guys.